Good morning, Ms. Heinz.
Good morning.
Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sorry, I'm having trouble loading it. Okay, here we go. On April 23rd, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, law enforcement officers were dispatched to a suicide. Upon arrival, law enforcement officers found the defendant in the driver's seat of a U-Haul truck, slumped over the steering wheel. The law enforcement officer observed bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and unbalance from the defendant. The passenger, the co-defendant, was detained and a crack pipe fell out of the co-defendant's pocket. The law enforcement officers found foil with narcotics residue on the passenger seat of the vehicle. The defendant admitted to taking Xanax that morning, and standard field sobriety tests were conducted. A 6 out of 6 was recorded on the HGN, a 2 out of 8 on the walk and turn, a 0 out of 4 on the one-leg stand. The defendant consented to a blood test. A wheel witness stated they saw the U-Haul in motion pull into the driveway of a house across the street and then walked over to the U-Haul and saw the defendant in the driver's seat.
You said they did field sobriety tests? They've taken to the station, blood?
Yes, Your Honor. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted. 6 out of 6 on the HGN, 2 out of 8 on the walk and turn, and a 0 out of 4 on the one-legged stand.
Blood test, breath test?
It was a consensual blood test.
Any prior to the eyes?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Heinz, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. I don't know if you have a problem with drugs or alcohol. Now is the time for you to address it, because I'm telling you, if it becomes a problem while you're on bond, I'm going to address it for you. And I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm ordering you not to use alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to test you, and I'm going to test you probably within a week. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do not use. If you have a problem, now is the time for you to do whatever you need to do to address it. You have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I need you to fill out an application for me and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. I will have you go, oh, you said she has a valid license?
It is eligible.
Okay, you're also not allowed to drive unless you have valid liability insurance in your name, and that is also a condition of your bond. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. Deputy Miranda is gonna give you an application. I need you to fill it out for me. When you're done, you can bring it back to us and we'll take a look. Please. Roxanne.
Yeah, I realized this morning I didn't CC everybody. I just sent you. It's Roger Byrne for the clerk as well. It's 2533384.
Did you get one done?
No, I just got the email yesterday. He's the old guy in Sarasota.
I remember.
Can I have him do that and send it to you from Florida?
ASAP.
You got it.
Like, Quest Diagnostic though, so we know it's legitimate.
West Diabetes.
Right.
Do that and for the
So
Monday
just,
setting, you want me to push that back a little bit? If he fails, bring him in for bond forfeiture, or what would you like?
right, so have him get it done today,
Yes.
then just bring us the result as soon as you can.
Okay.
And we'll go from there. Hopefully it's negative and then we'll just continue supervision. If it's dirty, then I don't know what we'll do. We'll have to bring it here. So,
This is, I'm getting working.
yeah, I got it.
Done while he's over there, and then if we need
I
to.
understand. Okay,
So this bond forfeiture setting on Monday, can I move that a few days from,
I'm okay with that.
thank you, back?
Just let Victoria know.
Great.
But it has to be this week though, and I wanted to test today.
Okay, as soon as I get in touch with him, I'll say go to Quest.
Yes.
Thank you. I'll touch base with you on the Saul meeting.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Slaughter.
Yes, Judge. If the court would allow it, Mr. Hernandez's mother is in the hallway and would like to address the court on his behalf.
I'm happy to do it.
Yes, Judge.
If you want to bring her up, I'm happy to do it. Let me give her my little.
Thank you so much.
Could we just to avoid creating a viral moment here?
What again?
Just to avoid creating a viral
Good morning, Mr. Traconis. You speak English, right?
Yes.
So you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail, credit for the 2 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. The next time you get pulled over, you smell like alcohol or dope, an officer's going to see this DWI. It's probably not going to go well for you. So don't give them the ammunition. Don't get into a car, even if you've had a sip. Do you understand?
I understand.
Bring up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization, you give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, there's no change in this. Is this what you want to do?
Yes.
How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Mr. Traconis, I want you to understand that from now on, what we're doing today, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail from now on if you ever pick up another DWI, not to mention a $6,000 surcharge that tacks on to you. And if you don't pay it every day or every $100 you owe, you sit 1 day in jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to suspend your license for 90 days. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck to you, sir.
Your Honor, just if I may mention, I just wanted to notify the court that we will be applying for
Occupational? Okay. Sure. Okay, I understand that you're going to have to, when you apply for an occupational license, you will have to do treatment. So, what we normally do is we have you do a TRAS, and then whatever the TRAS says is what you end up doing, and you have to get an interlock. So I don't know whether probation is something that you want, where I don't suspend your license, or whether you would just want to do this, because you're going to undergo basically probation-esque terms regardless, if we give you an occupation. So, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, good luck.
Joe Torres, it's off docket.
Okay. Roxanne,
Yes, sir. Sir, something happened to the THC?
what was your call number again, Sarah?
Yeah, give me 1 second. I'll pull it up. I'm sorry. This is on my phones.
Have the cause number handy, Roxanne?
Okay.
50992.
So I'm gonna give him another couple weeks. I hope he's not using, let him
No,
know.
he's not. My understanding is that he's been sober for like a little over a month, but he was a chronic user before, and so it's still just the remaining. Well, we've applied for PTI mitigation, like we've applied for the PTI. It's just we've not heard back.
Okay. I'm gonna set it for another couple weeks, like 3 weeks, if he tests positive.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. All right, so around the 50th, 55th day, we'll reset it to.
Can you like ask for an amount or like a specific, like the percentage or, I mean, I don't know.
No, he's just not he's supposed to be clean.
I understand that, but based on the information that I have, was like he was a chronic user for years and he's recently stopped. So my concern is that like it's not long enough to get it
So
all out of
let's
the
see what
system.
send it to the lab now so we can get levels. And then we'll see the next time and see what the levels are.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
All right, sir. Have fun. Hi, Eric.
Excuse me. Good morning, Judge. I have Guevara. Roxanne Petals.
Okay,
She paid the DA fee this morning. She is getting the portable device today.
okay.
So I have, today's Thursday, I know y'all don't do Friday, that's Monday.
Monday, okay, sure. Okay, hi, Mr. Cohen.
Hello, how you doing, sir?
Good morning.
How you doing? I'm here on Mr. Jesse Espinoza. We're gonna do a PTI on him. We just got the restitution form today.
Oh, so old. Has everything been turned in, State, on
Take
Espinoza?
a look on Espinoza here. So the PTI contract was sent, and the restitution invoice was sent over, but as defense said, it was today that it was done.
That you got, that you sent it, I guess.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. How much is the restitution amount? And then do you guys want it all up front or do you pay as you go? Hey, Blaze, with restitution on a DWI PTI, is it all up front or is it installments?
No, it's not.
What's
It has
not?
to be paid by the termination of the contract.
Okay, great. All right, we'll send you off a week for you to get everything done. Okay? The case is 250 days old.
I got you.
So let them know they've got a week to get everything done.
No problem. I sure.
Okay? Got it.
Have a good day.
You too. Take care.
Nice seeing
You too. Okay, hi. Hi.
I have Mr. Martinez Naranjo on docket.
In custody or on bond?
He's on bond.
Okay.
We just got a new offer for time served. I have the videos that have 911.
Need more time?
Yes, Judge, I have to provide proof of his, the DDS 214, because he's a veteran. But ineligible for veteran court.
Is he on deferred?
He's not on deferred.
There was a deferred, but I guess maybe it's terminated. Okay. So you're at 176 days. You want a week or two?
Yes, Judge.
If that, he's got to be here. So
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge. And so we're hoping that he'll take the offer by the next time he comes in to provide that proof. All right, thank you.
ma'am.
Have excused? Thank you.
Hi. Hey, what's new? Friday Eve, man.
Yeah, got a plea.
Come to me, Serenity. Okay. Oh, you do? Okay.
Bianca Lopez, she's in custody,
Guys, do you mind? Bianca Lopez, please. Did we do a TRAS on this?
Yeah.
What did the TRAS say? Lopez. Page 44. We did do a TRAS. I mean, it doesn't even matter though, really, because she's got the delivery case upstairs. So anything that we wanted to do, it's.
It said, the recommendation was through
Hopefully they address it upstairs. We just can't because of the open case. Ma'am, you were charged with prostitution. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 51 days in jail with credit for the 17 days that you have done. You need to understand that this is going on your record and it's going to be there for the rest of your life. You need to understand that if you continue to pick these up, at some point they can hit you with a felony and you're looking at years instead of days. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal once you accept this agreement. There's no changing this. Is this what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the office, ma'am?
Guilty.
If I find you guilty, I'm going to follow the agreement. Good luck to you, man.
Thank you.